Hi kids, I'm Courtney Ralston and I'm really pleased to be back sharing another recipe with you from the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation today. Today's recipe is a gorgeous Moroccan carrot salad, highlighting these beautiful carrots, and it's a really simple, delicious recipe. So watch along and let's cook today's recipe together. Now, carrots are a very hard vegetable. They're beautiful and sweet, and if you find it tricky, you might want to grab an adult for this. But if you're good with your knife, you want a steady hand, and we just want to place the knife in between that bridge hole and cut down the carrot in half lengthways. And then we can put the carrot flat side down on our board. And with our rock and chop, we can just slice down that carrot into quarters like that. So we've got beautiful quarters of carrots that are going to cook really quickly in our oven. So I just need to repeat that with our remaining carrots. I've got about 8 or 10 really nice medium carrots for today's recipe. Okay, that's all of our carrots sliced up. And these are now ready for a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, seasoned with a pinch of sea salt flakes. Now these are ready to go into my oven to roast. My oven is set at 200 degrees. These will need about 20 to 25 minutes until they're beautiful and soft and slightly wrinkly and sweet, and then we can get on with the rest of our salad. While our carrots are finishing off in the oven, we can prepare the rest of our ingredients for our Moroccan salad. So for our dressing, we're going to use some garlic. So I've got a nice large clove of garlic here that we're just going to peel. And I'm going to grate this on a microplane into a bowl. And next ingredient is some lemon. So I'm going to use the zest and the juice. We can season with some sea salt. And another ingredient used a lot through Morocco or the Middle East is this, and it's some harissa paste. So it's a hot pepper paste, and it adds a really nice background heat into our dressing. Got about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds that can go in with our dressing. We can also add some extra virgin olive oil into our dressing, and that's our harissa, lemon and garlic dressing all mixed up. The base for our salad is some chickpeas today. So I've got 2 cans of Coles chickpeas that we've just drained. So I've got about a cup of mint leaves. So our mint leaves can go in with our chickpeas. We're also using some flat leaf parsley today, and that can go in with our chickpeas. Okay, our final ingredient for today's salad is a really interesting one. We've got here some za'atar. Now, za'atar is basically a spice blend used in the Middle East and Moroccan cooking. A basic recipe for this is a mixture of toasted sesame seeds, some ground sumac, which is a berry. It has a really nice tart flavor to it, and some dried thyme. I actually had some fresh thyme in my garden, so I've put that in mine today. I'm going to put half of our za'atar spice mix on now, and I'm going to leave some for the top to use as a garnish. Okay, I'm going to go and check on our carrots and see if they're ready. Okay, our carrots have had their 25 minutes in the oven. Look at that beautiful, nice bit of color on them. You can see they've wrinkled down and become nice and sweet. We can now pop our dressing onto our chickpeas. Just give that a good mix. Going to pop half of our carrots into the salad as well. Just give them a toss through. All right, I've got a nice big sharing platter for our salad. So I'm just going to pop our carrots and our chickpeas and all of our herbs on. I'm going to put a few more mint leaves over the top. And there we have it. That is the Moroccan carrot salad from the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. What an absolutely beautiful plate of food. Gorgeous colors, fantastic flavors of Morocco. I really hope you kids have enjoyed today's recipe. I have absolutely loved cooking this recipe, and I can't wait to eat it. It's going to be like a little trip over to Morocco.